This here is the most stunning, luxurious, double floor hotel room money can get you in Cape Town.
In a crude laboratory in the basement of his home,
this hotel room literally has two of everything. You got 2 living rooms, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 dining rooms, 3 TVs. Only comes with 1 girlfriend, but she's very gorgeous, so it's more than enough.
I'm going to show you around and join me on the 2nd level. So here we are. This is the master bedroom. When we woke up this morning, we had this fantastic view of Table Mountain with the red sky. As the Table Mountain and Land's Head is not enough, we have a fantastic view of the stadium, the Marina Wharf. It speaks for itself.
Oh, and an epic view from the bathtub. This hotel room has 1,
2,
3 toilets. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
17,
18,
19,
20.
21, 22, 23.
24 places to sit. Does the toilet count?
Well,
27 places to sit.
it has 2 showers and a bath, and it has 3 beautiful sinks.
And this huge king-size bed is just so comfortable.
And the breakfast here is absolutely amazing.
So this unique experience will cost you $3,000 to $4,000, but believe it or not, there are 2 more rooms that are even more exclusive, even bigger, and even pricier. Is it worth it? Well, if you have the money to spend, then definitely. Now the penthouse will cost you around $15,000 per night. Not the kind of cash that I have. I'm gonna go now. I hope the people that live here don't come back soon. Alright, before we go, I know you want to see her again.
Let us know in the comment section below if you'd have that money, would you spend it for this room?
it is 3 a.m. in the confines of his lab.